playing in the like one patch of sunlight.
All right. Ice packs. More ice. Huh. Good buttons.
This is really adorable.
Yeah. Sorry.
Time to play.
At least she's awake and absorbing everything.
Baby. Okay.
Okay.
Chew that hand. She got focused on my hands.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go.
It always takes like what, 1 or 2 strollerings to get them.
To like relax. Or, you know, not check out. Alright.
Cute.
Oh, they have a fun
The cow is cute.
There's a cute.
Okay.
Hold on. We have to pay first. Rebecca.
Just gotta try to find a way around it. Oh, wait. It's so weird. I only have one.
You want to see this side or go?
Sure, this side's fine. They're both pretty equal to each other. You know, in
Questions, or if you're looking for anything left up.